Imagine you are cruising down the open highway, enjoying a smooth ride and expecting great fuel economy when suddenly your car starts to shudder, the engine feels weak, and that dreaded check engine light pops onto your dashboard. If you hook up a scanner and see the code P3431, your vehicle is telling you there is a problem with the cylinder for exhaust valve control circuit. This is a common issue in modern engines that use cylinder deactivation to save fuel, like when a big V8 engine drops down to V4 mode while you are just coasting or idling. Essentially, your IECM or engine control module is trying to turn off the exhaust valve for cylinder 4 to save gas, but it is detecting a voltage or resistance that is way too low. This usually involves a variable valve timing solenoid that is supposed to cut the valve action. If the computer sees the signal as weak, it might even cut the fuel injector to that cylinder to protect the engine, which is why you feel that nasty misfire and shaking. You should check your oil first because these systems rely on oil pressure to work. If your oil is low or dirty, the solenoid cannot do its job properly. Do not just go out and buy a new solenoid right away though. Many people make the mistake of replacing parts when the real issue is just a loose wire, a corroded connector, or even a blocked oil passage. Take a close look at the wiring near the exhaust manifold, where it gets really hot, because heat can easily damage those plastic connectors and thin wires over time. You want to make sure the IECM is actually sending the right signal before you spend money on expensive parts. If you have a digital multimeter, you can check for continuity and make sure there is zero resistance in the wiring. Remember that driving with a constant misfire can destroy your catalytic converter or cause internal engine damage, so you really want to get this sorted out quickly. It might be as simple as an oil change or a quick wiring repair, but ignoring it will definitely cost you more in the long run. Take your time to look for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, because sometimes the manufacturer already has a known fix for this exact problem, which could save you hours of head scratching and unnecessary stress.